students, this is Miss Walbotny with your first installment of How to Get an A Today. This is where I will show you exactly that, what you need to do to get an A today. I'm going to take you through everything that we've done so far this quarter so you can make sure that you are where you need to be successful in science this quarter. First of all, the first thing we have to do is to be able to check our grades in Atlas. So I'm going to pull up some information for you so that you understand the basics of Atlas. This is our student portal, right? We go to students.fresnou.org and we log in using our login information. And when you get logged in, you'll see a summary. The summary will tell you your schedule and your current grades in each class, as well as your attendance for the last 45 days. What we're going to want to do is check the button on the left that says grades, and when we do that, the screen will change a little bit. At the bottom of the screen, we will see buttons that say things like current, quarter one, quarter two, and historical. And current will show you current grades for this quarter, quarter one will show you last quarter, and then your historical grades will show you your grades from the past. Okay, and the most important thing is that if you scroll down, you can actually see every single assignment for every single class. Okay, so right here you see period 1 PE, and this is just an example, right? So your period 1 might be something different. And you'll see that there's a list of different assignments under PE. If you keep scrolling down, you'll find period 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. The most important thing to remember is that there's due dates on here, so it tells you what day this assignment was due, the name of the assignment, you can click that and it tells you more information about the assignment. And then finally your score and points. Points is how much the assignment is worth, score is how many points you got on the assignment. Obviously, if you have zeros, you want to make those up, right? Sometimes it'll say missing or incomplete, and sometimes it will not. And so you need to make sure that you're checking your scores, not just checking the status. Once you've identified what assignments you did not do well on, then you can go find those assignments and make them up. So for example, the first assignment in the gradebook so far for quarter 2 is an investigation, which is right here. It's called See You Soon. You're going to open up that investigation. It's 2 questions. And I know what you're thinking, Miss Walbotny, how do I do that investigation without you? Well, luckily, Mrs. Bull and I have posted a resource for you and your team that'll show you the information that you need to be able to complete that investigation. So open up your team for science. And what you're going to see a couple posts ago is you'll see right here we have slides for you. And these slides will help you finish your investigation called See You Soon. Now, some of you might open up your investigation and you'll notice that you already answered the questions, but I gave you a 0. This means that you did the questions wrong. This means you need to revise your answer, resubmit, and then let me know that you need me to regrade your assignment. Okay, and how are you going to know what you did wrong? Well, you have to use these slides. So you're going to click these 3 dots right here and you're going to press download. And when you do that, it'll download this slideshow to your downloads folder on your computer. Here it is, investigation, See You Soon. And when you open it up, you're going to notice that it looks like this. It'll take you step by step through the entire investigation. It'll tell you exactly what you need to know, all the information that you need to have, and even sentence stems to help you write your answers. All right, once you're done with that assignment, of course, you're going to press submit so I know that it's done, and then you're going to come send me a message and let me know that you have finished it. There is also a read about that will help you with this investigation as well, called Where Are You Right Now? Describing Position. Last week, we started a new phenomenon for a new lesson that we'll be working on for the next couple of weeks. The phenomenon is here. It's a video and then 1 question where you describe what you saw in the video. After you have completed that and you've seen the video and answered the question, you're going to open up your CER3. And all you need to have completed for your CER3 so far is your claim. All right. And remember, our claim is just what we think so far before we've learned anything, right? So you're going to read this paragraph right here that helps you think about what you need to be able to explain by the end of this lesson, and then you're going to make a guess. It says, when you push or pull a water tube, ... When it says water tube, it means the thing in the picture right here. So your job is to describe, if I were to push this thing or pull it, how would I see its motions change? You're going to write one sentence for me in the claim. Do not press submit, and then you are done with your CER3 for now. Last but not least, we did a Nearpod the last 2 days in class. Your Nearpod was done as a group, obviously, but if you did not do it in class or if you were absent, you still need to complete this Nearpod. At the bottom of the stream in your science team, you'll notice that I posted a link to this Nearpod. So you're going to click this link and open it up. And when you open it, you will see the investigation that we did together. All you have to do is click through, do what it tells you to do, answer the questions when it asks you to answer the questions, make sure you're being thoughtful, and make sure you press submit at the end and send Mrs. Bull or I a message letting us know that you completed the Nearpod. You'll use the blue arrows to click through and make sure you press submit anytime you answer a question. Last but not least, we did start our personal dictionary last week, so you'll notice that the personal dictionary is posted on the stream for your class. You're going to click view assignment, and when you do, it'll take you to the assignment for your personal dictionary. What is a personal dictionary? Well, a personal dictionary is exactly what it sounds like. You all are going to be building your own dictionary based on the words, the key concepts and key vocabulary words for quarter 2. If you open up the personal dictionary, it tells you what needs to be on each slide. It tells you where to find the definitions for your vocabulary words and what needs to be included. There are 2 example slides here that show you how to create one. And finally, there are 3 keywords in here so far: speed, velocity, and acceleration. Your job is to complete an informative slide for each of these words that includes a definition, some key things about this word, and a picture that you can use to describe it. You do not need to press submit on this assignment because we will be working on this assignment all quarter long. So this is not due until December 18th. We will keep adding to it all quarter long. Please do not press submit on your personal dictionary or your CER. Both of those assignments are ongoing. Please let me know if you have any questions. This has been your first installment of How to Get an A Today.